Scottys Teck World, teaching people how to install Linux operating systems and advising them on programs that help tremendously with everyday tasks to make your life easier, solving software problems to reduce life's frustrations. Greetings, my name is Roy, and in this tutorial that I'm doing here, I will show you how to make your life easier when installing .deb files into Linux systems. If I'm going to quickly through the tutorial, remember that you can click on the gear icon at the bottom right hand side of your screen and either increase the speed of the video or decrease it according to your need. And if there are sections in the tutorial that you can easily fast forward to skip those. I would be grateful if you would give me an email if there's anything that I can help you with that you are unsure of. Just remember that I will get back to you, but it might take a little bit of time. So having said that, let's dive right in and get to the nitty-gritty of it. Thank you. Here I'm on the reduce screen, and I'm going to open the terminal in Linux Mint. To do that, press Ctrl Alt and T. This is the screen that will come up. Into this, if we want to install Gdebi, which is the program that will make your life a lot easier, type sudo apt install Gdebi and press return. Yeah, it's asking me for my password. And I'm accepting that. There it is said that it is reading the package list done, building directory tree, reading state information done. Gdebi is already the newest version. If you have done this command, it'll bring it in and you'll see a little bit more information than what we see in here. Having done that, I can now go down to the menu. Clicking on menu, I can type Gdebi, and that shows me that the package has already been installed. I'm going to now go out of this, and I'm going to find a .deb file so that I can show you what it looks like when a .deb file is actually installed. Here I'm now going to close the terminal, and I'm going to open downloads. Here I'm going to look for a file that I've downloaded with the extension Gdebi. Here I've clicked on this file. All dependencies are satisfied. Distro AV built using CMake. Install package. I'm going to give it my password and authenticate it. Yeah, it has installed the program, and it says, do you want to reinstall it or remove the program? So the program has now been installed, and we can close this. That's how easy it is to install a .deb file using Linux and the Gdebi file that we have just installed. Thank you for watching, and Please like and subscribe if you've found benefit from this, and hopefully I will see you soon.